Just a minute. Huh? Hello guys. Uh, in this one, I will just start more adding some more details to this model. So for now, what I will do, yeah. So now, just a minute. Okay, I will just set up the theme so I can get see some comments if needed. Okay. Yeah. So in this model, I will add in this this stream. I will try to add the center part and this side part in detail, and then I will mirror it to the other side. And I will also just block out this, change this gun, and instead of this, I will put another thing, another sort of model like multiple machine gun, multiple barrel gun like this. So let's just me get some references for the gun like this. Like here, not like here, here, like this. Okay. So for the gun, see, like this is, so so I will make a center gun will be look like my center gun will be look like this. So for now, let's just add some cylinders, like 6 cylinders. So just a minute, shifting. We will add a cylinder. Let's see how we will do. Oh, no, I'm not expert in modeling X90, but I will somehow manage. Let's see whether I will able to manage or not. But uh, as the try, like not extremely long, but like this long would be fine. And I will just move it outside like this. And the back it's like just a complete cylinder now, no issue. So if you see here, this part is like completely closed cylinder for me in my eyes. So I will just do that part also. So let's say this part. Okay. No. This one. What? Okay. So I will go to the edit mode A shift T R. 6 phase or 8 phase I will make. Should I shift R, 5 phase? So let's see what we can do. Okay. Uh, uh, not like this. Um, L X delete faces A shift T R. Okay. Now let's see. L R like this. L R like this. Not exactly like this, but L R like L. Okay. Well, yes. Okay. That's fine. Oh, oh. Yes. And then select the face. Shift T over here. S. I X only face and then L right side where it is. Third of a green. Okay, that okay. Now let's see what we can do with this. E no E. Okay, this is a part and how many I can see over there. One, two, third is big. One, two. See here. 1, 2, third one is weak. 1, 2, third one is weak. 1, 2, 1 in the end. Like this, should I add? Yeah, let's add that part also. So now just select the L as little bit for make it being easy. Y over here. Let's see. Yeah, we will adjust it later, but right now it is just over here 1, 2, shift D, Y over here and S, Y for G, N, G, Y. Oh, like this it will be. And for the end, L, shift D, Y. And now instead of this, I will just select the maiden part for that now. And I'll just select the Alt S, maybe like this. Okay, that would be nice. And then select. Okay. So this will be our gun. Well, what the hell I made? Why these circles are blocked? Hmm? Why the hell are these blocked? Select, 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 select. Here I will select the individual origin. I will press I and insert and select rich with. Oh fuck! What the hell? Okay, now just select this one. Right click, bridge faces. Select right click bridge faces. Bridge faces. Select right click bridge faces. Select right click bridge faces. Select right click bridge faces. Right click bridge faces. Okay, now let's see. We have them cylinders. Like it's looking a little bit decent for now. So what will this happen? I will just animate it like completely fit inside the barrel. Whenever we need it, like this. Little bit forward, little bit backward, and then it will work. No issue with this. And after that, let's see. We have created the gun for this fellow, and let's see what else I can add. Like it's not the cylinder as like as this, but shift S cursor to selection, shift A, add a cylinder, RX90 for that, SY for filling, RG90 for any direction, S for for what? How long this much? Please? Yeah, for a little bit. No, not a little bit more, but yeah, exactly like this. You can see. If I go to edit mode, we see the faces, X, faces only. Now we have the whole scenario exactly same. And now I will just delete this part, and this will be our new section where we will add some stuff. Edit mode, like this part. If I, let us assume this part is connected to this, and I just delete this area. Okay, X is, oh, not faces, only faces. Okay. And then add a mirror modifier here, mirror on, why it's not a, hmm, there's on the X, there's nice control is all trans, yeah, it's worked completely fine. So, like, see, if I have this, and now in this scenario, if I add something here, it will mirror this thing over this area. So, what I can do? but it will make a symmetry. So after completing all the model, I will just apply the system and then hope I will add some additional details to it. But for now, let's see, I will add just a cut over this part. Okay, not exactly like this, but this part. Lines and let's use which. Hmm. We RX. Okay. Now let okay. Okay, this much is fine and this one is fine. So what I can do, what I can do, what can I do? Okay, now below let's click on let's slide a little bit like this and for making this cylindrical cut over here, like this thing. So what can I do? Edit mode, city, cylinder, uh, like this big X90 sort of stuff, and then this thing over here, like overlapping this thing overriding. So that is Control Shift D, brush, guys, brush. H, okay, Control A. Now I will just delete this part and Alt, not like this. Yeah. Oh, now it's working. Completely fine, guys. Phew. Like this thing over here. So now it's working, and instead of in this place, if I go to edit, no, 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 no. Okay, very clean. Okay, so I just shift D, right click E, selection, edit mode, only the selection part, edit mode E, yes. Alt T, extrude as well. Yes. No, 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 no. There is an issue. Okay, so if I instead of this, I will just select this E at G Y. Instead of going in, I will go up. Okay, so now this thing is working, and then I will select I. Oh, sorry, not I. V S. Little bit. S G Y. My fellow friend. G Y. Okay. This E Y. Actually, like this, look like this. Looking like decently fine. Now what I can do, just hold on that. Just trust the process. Okay, I just secured that part. Now I will just add this thing over here. Okay, now this thing is like this part. If I select the faces of those part and shift D, right click P, selection, edit mode, not edit mode, object mode, select that part only. I will apply this modifier and goes to edit mode A, what it says M5 distance. No. Okay, like say we are merged completely fine. Okay, no issue. So, and edit mode, not completely fine though. We have some vertex issues. Let's just adjust some little bit like vertex distance. Not worked over here. Okay, let's say is everything fine right now. And then see, okay. And if I just add one more cylinder on RX90 and scale it down and just make it so that it will just, fit over here. Little bit more, scale it down like this part. Okay. S X Y Z. Instead of that in the so I okay, let's kill it little bit. Okay, now in edit mode, control I for inverse selecting and deleting those faces. Forget about this thing. Those are just our past memories, guys. Nothing too big, nothing too small, only the past. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, so now I have this area. What I can do, like I can, how to say, let me just give me a guide, guys, one moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30. Okay, 32 divided by 6. Just a minute, 32 divided by 6, like, not 6, 5, now 5, 4, 4, 8, 32, 4, 4 pieces, and 8 kid. Okay, 8 one now. So like this, I will just have to select any 4, any 4 of these spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I will just do Shift D, right click P selection, and then come out of here. And then what I will do, I will just shift, not shift D, control that, control Z, shift S, cursor to selection. What the fuck did this? Where is the cursor? Sorry, sorry. Okay, now, okay, this part, okay. Alt D, not shift D, Alt, not, yeah, let's say Alt D, R. Oh, huh. I will start off this. So control Z, control Z, control Z. Okay. Alt D R like this. Fuck. What the fuck did this? Okay, let's see. Hide this part. Hide this part. Okay. Let's again do this part. H that. H that. Okay. So now this is the part I need to know. And this is the thing that I need to know. This task. Oh, okay. Alt D and R. Let's see. I'm not getting a perfect idea for that stuff, but like this, it will form a circle. But that okay, that's fine. So if I go to edit mode and then not select anything, but like see, yeah, nice. See guys, everything is working fine now. So now I just need any one of these faces, anyone. Okay, I'd accept all of this and then I will go to the edit mode section, select A and Alt E. Uh, let's I just do this. I'm the best. I will do, let's see, E, invert it little bit, then press I, scale it little bit down, and then let's see, I will see. Hmm, see, stuff like this are not meant to be happen individual. So like Linda, not exactly a Linda. I want things to be like not exactly like this. Oh, nice. This thing looking good. I will see what I can do in the upper section. Okay. Let's see. I will just oh, nice. Okay. So let's. I will just. I did this thing over here. So now let's say I will add some cups over this area. This area. Okay. And just selecting some vertices over some vertices of this area and just oh what I did G and G and G is where in yeah. So it's all done. Like done. But 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 what I want now is to not like to give all of you, but it's to okay. So now I will just add some more interesting to make some add some details to make it look little bit different from others, like the stuff like this. No, G for this power, like this. Mm, I'm just doing some random intrusion and extrusion right now. Nothing some fancy stuff, but just doing some random stuff like this. But the issue is right now for me one bone, two bone, three bone like that I will add, and everything is under those stuff. Okay, so like this thing will be here for the gate part. So like I will add one bone over here, like one IK system for. So let's clear some concepts. That's what happens. So what I will do, I instead of rigging the whole everything, I am thinking of rigging this part over this this section in a IK form, where it will be open like a sort of gate sort of thing, and then the machine gun will be come out of that. Like that I'm thinking. So let's see how it goes. If I think I need to change something, I will change it. H H H reach, reach. Okay, those stops. So like this thing will be closed over here. And what else I can add? So any idea, guys? What else I can add over this thing? So well, I'm not completely sure about those things, but let's say uh, first control is the super thing. Not able to select, not able to do the selection over here. But I have some other ways. Oh, Alt, what the fuck? Alt, oh no, Alt, along now, open the fuck. Why did this one select? Just have the right, control there, control unselected part, and everything is now not selected. Shift, 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 shift. Okay. Alt extrude normal. Shift. Like little bit control B over those. No, 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 not control B. Never. Never, ever, 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 ever. Select research. Select research. Control B. One, two. Okay. Let's say order this stuff over here. And for this thing over here, I will just select the whole thing. Shift S, cursor to selection, object mode, Shift A, add up. To Okay, so 48 segment is not even nice, I think, but okay, no, okay, this one will be nice. 1 meter radius. Radius, I will just, okay, yes, oh, fuck, Control A. Never press Control Z over this thing. Why, why? Why press 290? Enter and then go to X mode and then select the minimum radius to my liking like this. Okay. Okay, so segment in not into levers that is for me. I will just deselect it. Oh, and just 8 watts. No, no. So keep it 12 and then minor major multiple axis. Okay. Shift A another torus and this one will be like 90, but this one will be like much more smaller. Yes, and that control A one more rows like this will be again 90, but this one will be like a little bit big. Okay, like this. Okay, not thin like this. Okay. Now I will select all three of them and G X like the stuff going inside and then selecting this edit mode this okay and then I will select this view selection checker deselect I know quick control that. One more thing I have to see how deep this shit has gone. Ah, so before I do anything, I have to do this stuff, three, I, not I, first check the select to, okay, I, uh, like a little bit sort of gear sort of thing, where I will, okay, yes. Little bit adding some little details would be nice, I think, in my opinion. And here also one more thing I have get an idea. So let's execute that idea very quickly. So the idea is to get not exactly get up, but yeah, we can say get okay, edit mode. Uh, uh, not this thing. Shift F, Shift F, control the selection, and then Shift A, adding a torus, and adding some. Oh, up. Okay, back, shift it to 90, and then if I reduce this, no. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Back, minus, minus. Okay, no. Okay. 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 Okay, so I have to just yes. Okay. Uh, so let's say press this I H for high, control Z. Okay. H for high. All select this. Control shift. All select this. Control I X. It is only all touch. So let's say see. Did you see? See. L. You might not able to see, but I am able to see. To stop like this. Okay, so let's say I will add the selection device. Okay, and I will add a modifier called wireframe. You see this? I am getting a complete grid for protecting these plates. So thickness maybe I can increase. No. Not thickness completely, but the edges. I want to add some more material. No, no. Zero boundary. The what are the relative options? Okay, offset, no offset. Okay, thickness is other option. What? Evenly. Let's keep this one. Shift D, right click, and less over isolation. And then I will just remove this thing. And in edit mode, I will go select the X only faces. Coming out to object mode, convert to curves. And if I convert these things to curve, I will get this option and get a step 0, 0, 1. No, 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 not 1. Here I will get a nice glitch. Resolution 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 is fine. Not 3, but if I just do this, and here I will see this is the fourth object. G is the. No? Why does this look like and delete that one? And then the curve object looking like a little bit sharper, but controls that. But no, 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 no. If I just extrude, no extrusion, but fill gaps. Uh, oops, this thing for animating the cars. Okay, and if I that is also nice. Segment, no, the resolution is fine for that thing. Or do profile, do object, not object. No. Okay, this is fine right now. The complete grid. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Is there any offset right now? No offset now. Then why does it feel like it's on a offset? See. Okay. Right now it's in a correct position. Oh, for protecting the oh, yeah. Okay. Now it's looking like a little bit interesting to me. Not exactly sure about you guys, but for me it's looking like a little bit interesting. And let's see what else I can add. For today, I added this aeromechanical gun, how it will be placed. This part, that part. Over here, I'm not sure what we see that doing this. Tab, shift Q, random X loop, panel, panel. Control Z, Shift Q. Okay, any preset, no presets for now. It's completely random, but mm, nice. Let's say if I am able to do this exact thing with this part. I forgot that I have this add-on enable. So random panel. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Nope, 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 nope. Control N, Shift Q. Like, not slice. Shift Q, Y, extrude loops. Okay, let's see. Shift Q, extrude loops. Let's see, I have just over all like anything. Control Z, Shift Q. Like, slice is the best option for me, or not this one. Like, panel is the best option for me right now, but oh, this is the depth offset. Cut 30 triangulated knob, and let's say for edit mode, not in this one, and edit mode. Let's go select it. We have selected this part, based on this part, this part. Tick, 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 two, 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 two. Shift you extra panel. Let's see. Option no. Okay. Shift you and five, four, one more. Shift you render I'm still not okay. Let's go with this part. And then I will screw panel. Okay. Insert like this. Maybe let's reduce those stuff or maybe increase. Five, seven, increase. Let's do this much is fine. Panel size. Okay. Yeah, this much is fine. Panel seating. This is fine. Number of part is not satisfying. Even of setup minimum dash to the increase. It oh yes. Okay. That's saving straight cutting angle like if I say 45. Hmm. Not anything with bevel. Steering nothing inner outer none. Triangulated no. Okay. So let's put this thing. Okay, this thing triangulated little. But oh, no, not triangulated, but cut little subtles. Yeah, for me this is fine. Now this thing is done. Okay, now remaining part is this. I keep forgetting about this. Like this stuff will be like with this. So for the tires, I have to add more details. Like some every tire has something written over the cider part of the some sort of number or other sort of thing. So I'm thinking of adding that. And let's say this part is done. I have to just model this part mechanical burn like over here. It will come out like this for firing. Otherwise it will be inside. Let's do all touch. We have pressed all touch. Okay, let me control A, control A, all transformation, control A, all transformation, control A, all transformation, control A, all transformation. Like go to my and Let's say I have to mirror also this part also. Mirror, and then I have to, okay, it's selected, okay. For this part, I have to just visually turning it on. Okay. So our model will have from previous updated to this part. Like center part is almost done, if you see it like that. So like let me say if I I put the tire over here, let us zoom or maybe even yeah, this much is the limit. So let me control A or transformation. So tire will be look like this. But right now after expanding maybe we can go to this thing like this. Okay. Hmm. After I complete the tile, like put this thing, I will apply this modifier over here, and then we can, you know, s- sort of ready with the tire and center part is almost ready, this part, but the machine gun is remaining, and after that I have this sort of stuff like it looking good, like for protecting blade, like idea is good little bit. And I have to model this part. Not sure about this, how I will make it look. I have take some reference for this also, but let's see. And over this, I'm thinking now I get some suggestions. So maybe like it will rotate from going front and back. How this thing will be moved from left to right, like stopping one wheel and rotating other wheel. Zoom, zoom. Yeah. Okay. 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 So guys, this is for today and I will start the other thing also. So if you have any suggestions, please write it down because I'm in the please if you have any suggestion, please comment it and so that I can add it and like make it work. So if you guys have any suggestion, please let me know and subscribe to this channel. If anyone is watching, I'm not sure. It's only showing one guy. So if anybody is interested in that, please let me know what I can add to make it look more nicer. And oh, one more thing. I'm changing its position from here to here according to the suggestion like this. Not exactly at the center, but like this part. Instead of this fan, I will add like this. Only in one side, I think. So by creating some sort of asymmetry for my personal satisfaction, like this sort of thing. And one more thing I have to tell you guys, I have to connect these two, this part and this part somehow. Right now it's levitating in the sky, in the air, so I have to fix that part. And for the eye, I'm not sure what to do. Maybe I can put something like volley eye sort of stuff to get some emotions, like how we get to see emotions from volley movie if you have watched a volley like that. And here for the headlight, I'm thinking, not sure about the stuff I'm doing, but let's see how it's going. But this thing looking a little bit good, and I will after I animate rig this thing, it will make more sense if you are not understanding what's happening. And I will do some stuff over here, this part also. Hmm. Control S, save it, and thank you guys for watching. So if you guys have any suggestions that I can add in this model, so let me know.